In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana on Adobe Firefly. We'll move from a blank browser to a generated image, step by step. If this is your first time, don't worry. Everything is straightforward, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is simply the fastest way to get to the right page. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press Enter. You're looking for the official result from Adobe. Checking that the link points to an adobe.com domain is a quick way to make sure you're in the right place. Click through to the Adobe Firefly website. Once the page loads, you should see Firefly's creative tools. If you're on the home page, look for the option that lets you create images from text. That's where we'll type our idea and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Now, it's time to write a prompt. A clear, descriptive prompt helps the model understand your vision. Here's a strong example you can use. A surreal, photorealistic artwork of a giant human eye filling the entire background, with hyper-detailed eyelashes, skin texture, and reflections on the glossy iris. Notice how this prompt includes subject, style, scale, and texture. Details like photorealistic, hyper-detailed, and reflections guide the model toward the look you want. Feel free to adjust wording, but keep it specific. Before generating, switch the model to Nano Banana. Look for the model selector on the interface. This may appear as a drop-down or a panel where you can choose models. Selecting Nano Banana ensures your results are powered by that specific model's strengths, which can influence style, detail, and how it interprets your prompt. With your prompt in place and the model set to Nano Banana, click Generate. Firefly will process your request and produce images based on your description. The first pass may take a moment, depending on your connection and the complexity of the prompt. When the images appear, you'll see how the model interpreted your instructions, including the photorealistic textures and the large, dominant eye you described. And that's it. You went from Google to the Adobe Firefly site to a well-crafted prompt, chose Nano Banana as your model, and generated results. If you want to explore further, you can tweak the wording of your prompt or try alternate phrasing to emphasize different aspects of the image, but the core workflow you just followed is all you need to get high-quality outputs with Nano Banana on Adobe Firefly.